Not every indicator that calls itself AI-powered actually is. Some use genuine machine learning, some borrow the label to sound more sophisticated, and some have no business using the word at all. Today we are putting 8 of them under the hood to find out. And by the end, you will know which ones fall into pure marketing fluff, which ones partially earned the label, and which ones are the real deal. Helacator Ai Theta, created by Lad, is a trend-following signal indicator built around 2 classic candlestick reversal patterns: 3 white soldiers for bullish conditions and 3 black crows for bearish ones, filtered through a dual simple moving average system and a cooldown timer to reduce signal frequency. The pattern detection logic checks for 3 consecutive bullish or bearish candles, where each candle opens within the body of the previous one and closes progressively higher or lower. Once a pattern is confirmed, the indicator requires price to be above both the 50 and 200 period simple moving averages for a buy signal and below both for a sell, coloring bars orange for active buy conditions and pink for active sell conditions. There is no artificial intelligence in this indicator by any reasonable definition. The pattern matching is purely arithmetic, fixed comparisons between current and prior candle values, and the moving average filters are standard trend confirmation tools that have existed for decades. 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows are well-documented patterns with high false positive rates in ranging markets. If you are going to use pattern-based entries, pairing this with a volatility filter such as ADX above 25 would at least help avoid the flat market noise that this indicator has no mechanism to detect on its own. The dual moving average filter is a sensible addition that keeps signals aligned with the broader trend. Beyond that, the logic is straightforward pattern matching with a cooldown timer, functional, but nothing in the code comes close to justifying the AI label. AI-powered breakout with advanced features, created by Danilo Sam. The indicator is designed to detect potential market breakouts and breakdowns by analyzing historical price action. It calculates the highest high and lowest low over a set look-back period to establish key breakout levels, helping traders identify potential entry points. A core component of the indicator is an adaptive moving average, constructed using 2 exponential moving averages. This adaptive approach adjusts dynamically to price movements, acting as a trend filter to refine breakout signals. Additionally, the indicator incorporates pivot high and pivot low detection, enhancing confirmation by identifying significant price turning points. Despite its name, this indicator does not use artificial intelligence or machine learning. Instead, it relies purely on traditional technical analysis methods, such as moving averages, pivot points, and breakout level detection. The term AI in its title likely refers to its adaptive characteristics, rather than any actual AI-driven computations. You could use this indicator to enter trades when price breaks a key resistance level, while staying above the adaptive moving average, signaling a bullish breakout. For short trades, a breakdown below support while price remains below the adaptive moving average could indicate a bearish setup. Stop losses can be placed just beyond the breakout-breakdown level, with targets set using a fixed risk-reward ratio, or by trailing stops based on recent swing points. Strip the name and you have a breakout detector built on EMAs and pivot points, techniques that have existed in technical analysis for decades. There is no AI involved by any reasonable definition, and calling it adaptive is a stretch even by generous standards. AI Engulfing Candle, created by Ahmadirshad 419, combines the engulfing candle pattern with the relative strength index. It identifies bullish signals when a candle closes above the previous candle's open while RSI is in oversold territory below 30 level, or has been in that range within the last 3 periods. Conversely, it signals bearish conditions when a candle closes below the previous candle's open, while RSI is overbought, above 70 level, or was there in the past 3 periods. Buy signals are marked with green triangles below price bars, while sell signals appear as red triangles above them, labeled buy and sell, respectively. The indicator uses a standard 14-period RSI, combining 2 well-known technical analysis tools. The engulfing pattern highlights price reversals based on simple arithmetic comparisons between the current and previous candle, while RSI measures momentum by tracking the strength and velocity of price changes. Despite its name, this is not an AI-driven system. It follows a strict rule-based approach without machine learning, neural networks, or adaptive models. Its calculations are deterministic, meaning identical inputs will always yield the same outputs. You can use this indicator in combination with a trend filter, such as a moving average, to improve trade accuracy. For example, bullish signals could be taken only when the price is above a 200-period moving average, reinforcing alignment with the overall trend. Similarly, bearish signals could be validated when the price is below the moving average. Stop-loss orders could be placed just beyond the high or low of the engulfing candle, while setting profit targets at a 1.5 or 2 times risk-reward ratio. Additionally, you can enhance your entries by waiting for confirmation through volume spikes or secondary momentum indicators. Combining RSI with engulfing candles is a legitimate approach, but slapping AI in the name does not make it one. The signals are fully deterministic. Identical inputs will always produce identical outputs, which is the opposite of what any learning system does. AI Supertrend Clustering Oscillator, created by LuxAlgo. It combines the well-known supertrend indicator with K-means clustering, a basic machine learning algorithm, to classify market conditions into bullish, neutral, and bearish categories. It calculates multiple supertrend lines using different ATR multipliers, defaulting from 1 to 5, and then applies K-means clustering to group these signals based on their relationship to price. On the machine learning side, K-means clustering is an unsupervised algorithm that organizes data points based on similarity. Here, it processes the differences between price and supertrend values, initializing 3 clusters using quartiles as starting points. The algorithm then iterates to refine these clusters, stopping once it reaches an optimal grouping or hits the maximum iteration limit. Despite its AI branding, the machine learning component is relatively simple. K-means does not adapt over time or learn market behaviors in a deep way. It purely identifies natural groupings in the supertrend signals without using predefined thresholds. This makes it more of a dynamic statistical tool rather than an advanced AI system. The indicator visualizes trends through an oscillator display, with blue shades indicating bullish signals and red shades for bearish, where intensity reflects signal strength. While it leverages a legitimate machine learning approach, its predictions are still fundamentally tied to traditional supertrend-based technical analysis, rather than cutting-edge AI forecasting. You can use this indicator alongside price action confirmation for trend-following entries. One approach would be to take long positions when the oscillator shows strong bullish clustering, dark blue, while price is above a key moving average, 100-period EMA for example. Conversely, short positions could be taken when the oscillator turns dark red and price is below the moving average. To refine entries, you could wait for pullbacks into a support resistance zone before entering, setting stop losses beyond recent swing highs-lows and targeting a 1.5 or 2 times risk. It applies K-means clustering in a way that adds real structure to the supertrend framework, and the oscillator visualization makes market condition changes easier to read at a glance. It is still fundamentally a supertrend derivative, so traders already running a solid supertrend setup will find the incremental gain modest. AI Trend Navigator, created by Zierman. The indicator uses the K-nearest neighbors (KNN) algorithm, a fundamental machine learning technique, to predict trend directions in price movements. It processes price data and generates 2 key lines: the KNN classifier line and the average KNN classifier line. KNN in this implementation analyzes a set number of closest historical price values. Default is 3, within a window of at least 30 periods. It then applies a smoothing function, defaulting to 50 periods, to create a more stable output. The indicator visually represents trends through color changes: lime for uptrends, red for downtrends, and orange for neutral conditions. You can also enable background coloring to highlight predicted trend directions. While this indicator does use a genuine machine learning approach, KNN is a basic pattern matching algorithm rather than an advanced AI model. It works by comparing current price behavior to past price movements and averaging them to estimate trends, making it more akin to an adaptive moving average than a self-learning AI system. The algorithm is static, meaning it does not continuously learn or evolve beyond its rolling data window. You could use this indicator alongside a trend confirmation tool, such as a higher time frame moving average or volume-based analysis, to improve signal reliability. A possible strategy might involve taking long positions when the KNN line turns green, while price is above a 200-period moving average, and entering short positions when the line turns red below the moving average. Stops could be placed just beyond the recent swing high or low, with profit targets set using a fixed risk-reward ratio. Confirmation from additional indicators like RSI or MACD could further refine entries and exits. This one genuinely uses a machine learning technique, and the implementation is cleaner than most in this category. The limitation is that KNN without continuous retraining is closer to an adaptive smoothing function than a true predictive model, which caps how much edge it can realistically offer. AI Adaptive Money Flow Index, created by AlgoAlpha, combines traditional MFI calculations with statistical clustering techniques to create a dynamic market analysis tool. Despite its marketed name suggesting AI capabilities, it actually uses k-means clustering, a basic statistical algorithm, rather than artificial intelligence or machine learning techniques. The indicator processes price and volume data through standard MFI calculations, then uses k-means clustering to dynamically adjust the traditional overbought, neutral, and oversold levels that are typically fixed in a standard MFI. By default, it analyzes 300 bars of historical data and performs 5 clustering iterations to determine appropriate threshold levels for current market conditions. The clustering process involves taking initial reference points, grouping data based on distance to these centers, calculating new averages for each cluster, and repeating this process multiple times, along with bullish and bearish triangle markers indicating reversals. The indicator includes customization options for the MFI calculation period, historical data size, clustering iterations, and initial threshold levels. You can choose between raw MFI values or an adjusted version that maintains fixed reference levels while adapting to market conditions. This statistical adaptation approach, while not AI-driven, aims to provide a more context-aware version of the traditional MFI by automatically adjusting to changing market conditions instead of using fixed threshold levels. The adaptive aspect comes purely from the clustering process that adjusts levels based on recent price action, making Adaptive Money Flow Index using k-means clustering a more accurate name for this technical indicator than its AI-marketed title. A practical trading strategy, using the adaptive MFI indicator, can be built around its dynamic nature combined with traditional trend-following tools. The foundation of this strategy uses the 200 EMA as the primary trend filter, working in conjunction with the indicator's trend classifications, shown as plus, 0, and minus symbols. For long trades, wait for price to be trading above the 200 EMA, while the MFI shows a plus symbol or transitions from neutral to plus. The optimal entry point comes when you see the bullish triangle signal. You can add another layer of confirmation by checking if the price has crossed above the 20 EMA. Short trades follow the opposite setup, looking for price below the 200 EMA with the MFI showing a minus symbol or moving from neutral to minus. Enter when you see the bearish triangle signal, ideally with the price crossing under the 20 EMA. For exits, the indicator provides natural points when the trend classification changes to neutral 0 from either direction. Alternatively, you can exit when an opposing triangle signal appears. Place your stop loss just beyond recent swing levels for protection. Remember that this indicator's adaptive nature means it adjusts to changing market conditions, so combining it with less responsive tools, like moving averages or static support and resistance, helps provide a more complete picture of market structure and potential trading opportunities. The clustering is doing real work on the threshold logic, rather than sitting as a cosmetic layer on top of a standard oscillator. The limitation is the same one that applies to all rolling window approaches. In fast-moving or regime-shifting markets, the look-back can lag behind conditions enough to make the adaptive levels feel stale. Before we reveal the number one spot, if you want a complete trading system with full customization so you don't have to jump between tools, Quantum Ribbon Pro was built for that. AI Channels, created by LuxAlgo, applies k-means clustering to a rolling window of closing prices, to derive dynamic upper, average, and lower channel levels directly from where price has actually been concentrating, rather than from fixed envelopes or standard deviation bands. The indicator populates a data array from the most recent bars within the window, initializes cluster centroids using percentile spacing across that data, and iterates up to 500 times until the centroids converge. The result is 3 reference levels: upper, average, and lower, each representing a natural price grouping rather than an arbitrary offset from a moving average. Standard deviation bands around the upper and lower clusters visualize dispersion within each group. A denoise option locks channel direction based on price position relative to the outer bands, preventing the channels from flipping back and forth during consolidation. There is also a trailing stop mode that removes the opposite channel line depending on trend direction. Where it shares the same ceiling as every K-means application in this video is that the algorithm has no memory beyond its rolling window, and no mechanism to recognize when market conditions have shifted faster than the look-back can reflect. In a fast-trending move, the channel levels can lag meaningfully before the clusters catch up. Used as a trailing bias tool rather than a precise entry system, it has clear practical value. When price holds above the upper cluster level, the trend bias is long and pullbacks toward the average offer reasonable long entries with stops below the lower band. The trailing stop mode makes this application even more direct. Targets can be set using a fixed risk-reward ratio or by trailing to the opposite cluster boundary as the trade develops. The implementation quality here is a clear step above everything else in this lineup. The K-means foundation has inherent limitations no Pine script implementation can fully overcome, but within those constraints, this is about as well executed as the approach gets. In our previous video, we reviewed and ranked top 5 TradingView scalping indicators everyone is using right now. Watch it here.